National news. Indian government have taken a greater initiative for the zero tolerance of the terrorist attack. Narendra Modi's BJP government have taken the initiative under the Ministry of Home Affairs. They have amended the UAPA, Unlawful Prevention Activities Act. It has been amended in 2019 and again in 2020 it has amended, which includes the 18 individual terrorists in that list, which includes the Jaish-e-Mohammed, Indian Mohammed, and the Dawood Ibrahim members are also included as an individual terrorist, because Ministry of Home Affairs clearly stated that they are not going to tolerate any terrorist attack in the India's hometown as a home country, because they want to be a terror-free country, and it is a greater initiative towards a new campaign. International news. France church, 3 people have been killed by the terror attack. With the knife, the 3 of them have been killed. The France government have increased the number of soldiers from 3,000 to the 7,000 in all over the country. The all religious place, organizations, school have been at the high alert. France government President Emmanuel Macron has said that government should take strict action against these terrorist attacks, as we have been facing from the 2015 of the killing of Charlie Hebdo, the magazine editor, then recently a school teacher, Sam Paty, beheaded in the school by the Islamic extremist only, as the anger have been increased all over the world against the France, because in the France the secularism is not there. It is totally opposite of the India if we compare, because there is no religion have been particularly supported, and there are immigration of more and more Muslim, and 9% of Muslim population is there, and now they want that the terrorist attack which have been increased, they want to overcome and bringing the new bill. Defense news. India and US have the deal, and United States of America gave the statement that any hesitation to the India on line of actual control will be bidding to check the China, said by the United States of America. And Nagorno and Karabakh region dispute, for that there is a conversation at the Geneva talk in between the Armenia and Azerbaijan at the higher level. And Indian Army has concluded and launched a new WhatsApp-like messenger app so that the service related information do not leak in the whole world. And there is the 3 BJP workers have been killed in the Jammu and Kashmir, and the police of Jammu and Kashmir has blamed with the victims that it is done by the Lashkar-e-Taiba. Sports news. Ibrahimovic of the Milan FC misses another penalty when Milan down the Prague. Real Madrid's Zidane has said about the play of Benzema and its rift. Arsenal beat the Dundalk with the 3-0 in the Europa League. MS Dhoni praises the new talent of the Chennai Super Kings, a great knock of 72 runs by Ruturaj Gaikwad as an upcoming young batsman. Thank you.